Hi guys, welcome back to Karamia's Corner. Join me today for a vintage mystery box. So I purchased this from the same Etsy shop. If you've seen my vintage ephemera kit haul, I'll put the link right above here. It's from Whimsy Barn Vintage, so I'm super excited. This is the small box. And in addition, I ordered again another ephemera kit. So I don't know if it's the same box. We will have a look and see, but I will do a different unboxing for that one. So let me go ahead and open this up. So let's open it up. Oh my gosh. So we have her little slip here. Thank you for your order. Whimsy Barn Vintage. So it has a list of what items she has. So part of when you're checking out, she has a little questionnaire asking what type of style or items you are into. So I made a list and let's see if she fulfilled it. I also see a little card here and we'll take a look at that. So I bought this box. It was a little mini Mother's Day gift to myself. Let's have a look and see what is in here. So let us open the card. Super fun. It says, believe in yourself. Happy Mother's Day, Karamia, and may this be an amazing year. Whimsy Barn, thank you so much. Let me open it up and pull. Oh my gosh. So the first item I had listed was vintage lace. Guys, take a look at this. Oh my god, that is so gorgeous. Let me just open it. Wow. True vintage. Look at this pin. What is it? This is it looks like plastic, but look at the detail on that flower. So pretty. Yeah, it is made of plastic. Really cool. Wow. So first item, we have a stash of vintage placemats, I think. We'll have to open it up to see. Sorry about the plastic noise, but she has included, wow, a lot. That is gorgeous, guys. Look at this. So pretty. Wow. And then on top of that, it looks like this might be the same exact one. It is. But look at this one. Wow. Let me just show you. We gotta put this up here. Oh, wow. Wow, look at that. So pretty. So, okay, we got our first item out, and this is already really beautiful. So if you're not familiar with my channel, I love thrifting, particularly looking for vintage home decor. I also make journals and I love to use them in them and kind of upcycle them, and the rest I use as decorative items at home. But this is so pretty, so let's move on to the next. Oh wow. She packed it so nicely. It says to Clarissa from Whimsy Barn. I love it. It's just... So let's see. One of the other items I said was milk glass, children's book, cameos. I had a whole list of other items, but let's just be surprised together and see what else is here. She packed, wow, she wrapped this real good. that. Oh my god. Here it goes, guys. Wow. I like it. It reminds me of the Delft kind of Holland vase art with that blue color. Look at that. I'm trying to see if there's any markings on there, but it's a cute little vintage jar, like a sugar jar maybe. Not sure, but that's really pretty. So cool. And then we have our third item. Oh, I love birds, so I'm happy with this. Oh, it's a beautiful red cardinal. Look at that. So sweet. You can sit right there, and there's a little pin so you can put it on a drape or a decor. Let's see what else we have here. So the mini box promises, I think it was 4 items. If I'm not mistaken, don't quote me. You should check out her website for sure. Oh my gosh, there's more. Look at the way she packaged it. This cute little takeout box. And she's put a tag, a mini tag on it. Oh my gosh. Let's see. Oh my goodness. That is beautiful. It's a neck and it looks like it's a container for something, but it's really pretty. So one of the other categories I did say was that I love birds. So I can see now I should pick this for me. But what a cute decorative item. And this one looks like it's a cologne. From Avon, it says Charisma. I'm gonna see if that opens. But very pretty. That's really cute. Let's get the next item here. Look at how beautifully she wrapped this. Definitely adds excitement to our mystery. And now we have this pink bowl that's really pretty. And you can see on the side there, it has like almost like a chandelier looking design on it. I love that. It's a cute little catch-it-all little plate or tray. Put your rings or bracelet. So the next item, I did mention I want a children's book, but look what she included. This is one of my favorite illustrators and authors, Joanne Walsh Anglon, and I love her illustrations are really so adorable. Look at how pretty, and the book is in really good condition. How adorable is that? That is so beautiful. Oh, there is more than one. We have another one. Oh my gosh, love is a special way of feeling. Oh, this is so pretty. I love it. This is so cool. Beautiful. Oh, I am so happy. This is so worth it. Oh my gosh. She definitely put a lot of thought into every piece here and just makes it customized and curates it to your liking. Oh my gosh. Don't tell me there's more. Oh my gosh. So here is another one, and again she used that beautiful floral paper. Wow. Can you imagine if you were to order a larger mystery box, how many fun items you would get? And this is just a small one. Wow. Look at this. So another item that I had added to some of the items that I do like is milk glass, and it looks like she's added this shell-shaped tray, and I love it. I love anything that relates to the water, and so I think this is a great addition. That is so pretty. I love that. It looks like we have one more item here. And the next item underneath is the Ephemera Pack, which I will share another time, but let's see what we have for our final piece. Again, I just love that she individually wrapped everything. This was so fun to uncover and see. Oh wow, I really don't remember what else I had said in that list, but we'll find out and see what this is. Oh my goodness, what is it? Oh wow. I said mint, now I remember. I said I love the color mint, and check out this little vase. How cool is that? I love it. It's pretty cool. I like the colors. They're very lively, and it definitely goes well. We have a white countertop, so I think this will look really nice on it with some flowers in it. Or my paintbrushes, actually. I might use it for my paintbrushes, but that is gorgeous. So pretty. Hope you guys enjoyed this vintage box unboxing. So I wanted to make sure I gave you the right information. I logged into my Etsy. So this was an extra small box. I'm super happy, and I love how she curated it according to your taste. And again, stay tuned. I'll be sharing the ephemera kit I purchased from her store as well. Her name is Sandy from Whimsy Bar and Vintage. So I'll put her link down below if you're interested in checking it out. Thanks again for watching Caramia's Corner. See you next time. Bye.